Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to open File Explorer in Windows 10. There are several ways to open File Explorer in Windows 10 and I will review only those methods that are easy to use. This includes taskbar shortcut, WinX menu, task manager, shortcut keys, command prompt, PowerShell, taskbar search, desktop shortcut and run dialog box. You can use which you prefer to use that are easy for you. So let me show you one by one. First one is taskbar shortcut. What you have to do is, if you have not removed this one folder icon from your taskbar, you will see here File Explorer option. Clicking on this, it will open File Explorer in your PC. Next one is WinX menu. WinX menu is also known as Power User menu. All you have to do is right click on this start button and select File Explorer here. This will open File Explorer on your PC. Next one is Task Manager. You need to open Task Manager that you can open using keyboard shortcut Control Shift Escape, or right click on the taskbar and here select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens with few details, click here More Details, then click on File. Here select Run New Task and here type Explorer or explorer.exe. I repeat here, Explorer or explorer.exe. Both will work. I will show you both. Here I show you first by Explorer. You can see here Explorer opened, and another one is explorer.exe, and click here OK. This also opens File Explorer on your Windows 10 machine. Next one is shortcut key. If you prefer to use a shortcut key, you need to first create one. For that, right click on the free space on the desktop, select new, and then not folder, you need to select shortcut. Right click on free space on the desktop, select new, and here select shortcut. In shortcut wizard, type here explorer or explorer.exe, then click next, name it explorer or something else you prefer to use, and then click on the finish button. This will create a shortcut on your desktop. You can open File Explorer by double clicking on this, or even you can create a shortcut key for this. For that, right click on icon, select properties. Here you can see besides shortcut key, this one is none. You need to press any key from your keyboard, such as I have pressed I. This will automatically include Control Alt. That means if you press I, your shortcut key to open File Explorer will be Control Alt plus I. Control and Alt will be added automatically. After that, you need to click on Apply and click on OK. Now you can open File Explorer by pressing Ctrl Alt I keyboard shortcut. Next one is command prompt. Using command prompt, you can also open File Explorer. For that, you have to click on the start button and type cmd, and then click on the command prompt entry to open it. Or if you know other method to open command prompt, that also you can use. Here type explorer or explorer.exe and press enter on the keyboard. A spelling mistake. EXPLORER RER. This will open File Explorer. Next one is PowerShell. Those who prefer to use PowerShell, you can also open File Explorer using PowerShell. For that, click on the Start button and search for PowerShell, and in search results click on Windows PowerShell app to open it. Then here type Explorer or explorer.exe and press enter key on the keyboard to open File Explorer on your Windows 10 machine. Next one is taskbar search. If you have not removed this one taskbar search, you can also here type File Explorer, and in the search results clicking on File Explorer will open File Explorer on your Windows 10 machine. Next one is desktop shortcut that I have already created in previous method. Final one is run dialog box. You can also say that run box. For that you need to press Windows plus R. I type here Windows plus R, Windows or plus R here to, so you need to press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and here you can type Explorer or explorer.exe, then click on the OK button to open File Explorer on your PC. As you can see here, this all methods I have covered, and I will paste these commands on this video description also, so you can copy and use, or you can refer it. Thank you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are awaiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye.